The featured company is a paid client of Proactive Group Holdings, and this recording is disseminated by Proactive on its behalf.
We want them to excel. We want them to grow their business, buy more machines, and in turn, generate more royalties for our business, which is the end goal. Like we're trying to build a massive diversified portfolio of royalties. And in order to do so, we need to have that closeness in every relationship.
All right, welcome back inside our Proactive newsroom. And joining me now is Brent Charleton. He is the CEO of EnWave Corp. And Brent, great to see you again. How are you?
Steve, good to see you.
Yeah, so talking about a licensing agreement with Solve Solutions, this is a company you've talked about before, but now you've got some, I guess a great way to say it is some recurring business from them.
I mean, this is a fantastic example of a company who had chosen to evaluate the merits of our patented dehydration technology and have found some commercial opportunities and now want to scale up and invest to enter into a long-term license arrangement. So Solve, who had been using a 10 kilowatt to develop a number of dairy and fruit and vegetable products, have found customers that want these products. They've now invested, I think, north of $3 million into a new facility where they'll first use the 10 kilowatt that they were renting, which they've just purchased, and have plans to then scale up to a large scale machine within the next 6 months. They have two specific projects that really get me excited. The first is with a global top 5 dairy company, the division respectively in Brazil, who'd like them to potentially do co-manufacturing for a number of cheese snacks, which could drive huge volume. And the second, obviously, is their access to low-cost, premium fruit and vegetable products that they can convert into value-add products to sell into markets where they can demand quite a healthy margin. So good opportunity for Solve, good opportunity for EnWave, and I'm excited about what's to come.
Yeah, and this again shows just how important the technology is all around the world. Like you're getting a lot of really strong clients and strong uptick from people outside of the North American market.
That's absolutely correct. And, we've invested to expand our global footprint. We hired an international senior business development representative for Europe back in April, and she's done a fantastic job in building pipeline for projects for fiscal 2026 and beyond. And then we're looking at a second international hire, some either in South America, where we're seeing a lot of interest, or Southeast Asia, which is a market that we continue to evaluate.
Brent, how important is it after you get a client like this to be able to talk with them as they sort of see what your products are all about and how these machines work, the sort of the post pitch, if you like. How important is that to a deal like this getting done?
I think in the premise of having that ongoing relationship through the lifetime partnership in business is incredibly important for companies when they consider entering into a license and buying our equipment for use. They know that we're going to be there to support their product and process development after sale of equipment. We want them to excel. We want them to grow their business, buy more machines, and in turn, generate more royalties for our business, which is the end goal. Like we're trying to build a massive diversified portfolio of royalties. And in order to do so, we need to have that closeness in every relationship.
Well, congratulations on this one. Exciting one with Solve Solutions. Brent, great to see you again. Thanks very much.
Thanks, Steve. Take care.
All right, Brent Charleton, the CEO of EnWave Corp.
The featured company is a paid client of Proactive Group Holdings, and this recording is disseminated by Proactive on its behalf. It is for informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice, an offer, or a solicitation to buy or sell any securities. Viewers should conduct their own research and consult a qualified financial advisor before making investment decisions. The views expressed are those of the speaker and do not necessarily reflect those of Proactive Group Holdings, trading as Proactive Investors or its affiliates. No responsibility is accepted for any loss arising from reliance on the information presented.